Hey, buddy. You gonna say something?
Bunyard.
You gonna say something?
Hey, I'm gonna get you. Gonna get you. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle.
Somebody's trying to suck their thumb. Trying. Trying.
Get his legs, Tara, when he's kicking.
Look at that little boy. Hi. Hi. You want to say something? Well, he was making noise earlier. Say something.
Monkey says, Monkey says,
Say more. There's a smile.
Yeah.
What else, Gabriel? What else? Tell us more.
Grandma loves you. Grandma loves you. Yes, she does.
What else? Really? There's a little laugh. Showing off his tongue.
Hey, you.
And kicking his legs.
Get that boy. Get that baby boy. Give him. Grandma gonna eat you up right now. Grandma gonna eat you up right now. Yes, he is. Sweet baby boy.
He loves Grandma.
Baby boy. Sweet baby boy. Sweet baby boy.
Hi. Hi.
He's gonna get used to the camera and then he'll.
Hi. Say something. Here.
Pumpkin. You can't do it.
Oh.
Peekaboo, I see you. Hey.
So like, whoa. Gabriel. He's too busy trying to get his hand in his mouth. Or something. Oh. There you go. Little boy. Okay, can you say goodbye?
Goodbye,
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Gabriel.
Bye.
I love you guys.